Hello guys. So if you have been finding it difficult to identify another block, today I'm going to be showing you how you can identify another block on your chart. So what is another block? Another block can be your point of interest or your area of interest. You use it to identify areas where you should take your buy or your sell. So if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to identify another block. So just like I said, you use other blocks to identify your point of interest, your area of interest, your zone of interest. Now, these are areas where you take your buys or you take your sells. So, so another block. Now, there are two types of other blocks. We have bullish other blocks and bearish other blocks. Now, bullish other block, according to the general rules, it says an other, like a bullish order block, is the other block, like the red. If you're having a downtrend, let's say like here, now the bullish order block will be the last red candle, this red candle you are seeing, the last red candle before the reversal happens. So now this will be what our bullish order block. That's the general rule. But for me, I don't follow the general rule because it doesn't work for me. So I actually prefer like taking my other block to be the last red candle, the last candle before an impulsive movement. Now if you check this one, now you can see this, there is an impulsive movement here. This is a huge candlestick. So my other block will be the last candlestick before that impulsive movement, right? So that's going to be my other block. So things you need to check out before you identify other block. The first thing is you must make sure there must be an impulsive movement. And what is an impulsive movement? There must be an imbalance. That's a huge candlestick movement. Like here now we have a huge candlestick movement from the upside to the downside. Now my other block here, now what am I looking for? I'll be looking for my what? Sorry, I'll be looking for my bearish order block. So my bearish order block will be my last candlestick before this big move. But the general rule will say the last candle, it should be the green candlestick, though this one is actually green. But just to let you know that in some cases you can see it to be red or green, but it should be the last candlestick before the huge movement. So I'll mark it out from week to week. That's from the high week to the down week, right? So it's going to be what my other block. And since this structure is a downtrend and I've highlighted here to be my other block, so what should I be looking for? I should be looking for opportunity to sell if market taps into it and respected it. But obviously the market did not respect it. Market violated that level and what changed character to the upside and begin to what go up. So that other block has become invalidated. Now my next other block will be here, since there is a huge movement towards this direction. So my other block will be this one. Now things I look for, as I said, I make sure there is an impulsive movement where there is a big move, and I also make sure there is what a fair value gap. A fair value gap is the gap between that impulsive movement, the two candlesticks, week to week. I'll talk more, I'll do a video more about that. So now this is another block, right? So I should look for opportunity to buy when market taps into this level, and you can see market came back, tap into this level, and begin to buy. So this is another block, my bullish order block. Other blocks are meant to tell you where you should like look for your opportunities to buy or sell. Now for here, in this scenario, the market is creating series of higher high, higher lows. You can see market has been breaking structure to the upside. Obviously it's a bullish market, and in a bullish market, what am I looking for? I'm looking for opportunities to buy, right? So you can see market came back and tap into my other block. That's my area of interest. That's my demand zone my demand zone, it taps into it and begin to buy. If I should get in from here, around here, and hold on to this long, only God knows how much I'll be making. But no, I don't do that. I actually have my risk management. I only target 1 to 3. I only target 1 to 3 unless I'm scalping. If I'm scalping, I mostly target about 1 to 6, 1 to 9. Depends on how much the market wants to give me. But if I'm day trading, I only target 1 to 3. So other blocks are very simple. Just look for where there is an imbalance, where you see a big move to the other side, to a side. Then look for what the last candlestick before that big move. When you see that last candlestick, highlight it from the week. And what do I mean week? From week to week, you highlight them from the week, the upper week and the lower week. You highlight it from there, then highlight it, mark it out. Wait for the market to tap back into the other block. When it taps back in, look for what? A shift of character to the other side. Normally, you can see this is my other block. Let's say, for example, this is my other block. If I go to the lower time frame, you observe market shifts. I said it's an uptrend, right? But then if you go back, you observe the market shift into what? Into a downtrend, a temporary what? Downtrend. You can see market shift into a temporary downtrend. You see, market shift into a temporary downtrend because it is giving us a series of lower lows. You can see lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. You can see. So market shifts into a temporary downtrend forward. So for us to get that, for our other block to be valid, there it taps into my other block, that's my area of interest, and gave me what? A market structural shift, a break of structure. You can see this structure was broken. It gave me a break of structure to the upside. That's when I should be looking for opportunity to buy around this area. That's when this is my bigger time frame order block. I just want to know that okay, market is about to make a reversal to the upside, but I'm not taking my trade from here. I'll take my trade when I see what? A break of structure around this area. So guys, that's that. Other blocks are very easy. You use that as your area of interest, where you should be looking for opportunities to either buy or sell the market. So guys, if you enjoy this content, please give me a subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, I don't know where you'll be watching from. If you're watching from either my TikTok or YouTube, please follow me or subscribe, and check the description on this video, or maybe the bio, to the link to my signal group where I share my setups with my community. So guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or follow. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.